So let me launch the playground. Let me go to the accounts. So if you see here, there are some buttons kind of thing. Okay, a field can have a link. Okay, here the fields will have a link. So that's the secondary thing. But if you see, if I click here, okay, if I click here, it is taking me to the some link. Okay, some link. If I click here, then again it is taking me to another some link. So if you see these two, these are not fields. Yes or no? These are not fields, but they are on the on which page? On the record page. Okay, on the record page. This is called details tab. Okay, this is called details tab. So on the details tab, we have some additional things which are not the normal fields. Yes or no? These are normal fields. Okay, these are normal fields, but these are not a field, but they are something which are performing some action. Okay, now what are these and what functionality they do? How do we create them? Let's see. Okay, today's topic is creating our custom buttons and links. Okay, creating our custom buttons and links. Now if you see here, okay, not only the things which I have shown here, but there are certain things here. Okay, if you see here, there is some button here. Okay, some button. There are some other buttons too. So do you know, you all know this? Whatever the things that are developed by Salesforce and provided by Salesforce, what we call them? We call them as a standard objects or standard fields or standard applications or standard buttons. Similarly, whatever the things which we develop, we customize, then we
Custom.
call them custom. Okay, we call them as a custom. Now you understood the thing, no? What is custom, what is standard? Now same comes with the buttons. Okay, whatever the buttons Salesforce has given to us, okay, Salesforce has given to us, those buttons are called as standard buttons. The buttons which we develop, okay, the buttons which we develop, okay, they are called as custom buttons, custom links. Okay, now those things are appearing where? In the on the record, no? Record.
Yeah.
On the record of an object, they are appearing. That means they are a part of a record page. Yes or no? Okay, they are part of record page. And the second thing, on which tab? There are two tabs. Okay, there are two tabs inside the record page. One is details tab, one is related tab. Okay, where we see the child records. Suppose Pravalika, if you remember, if you go to the accounts, okay, if I go to the accounts, so the child objects will be there na for account. The child
Ye-
will be contacts and opportunities. So those things you can see here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is related tab. On the record page, this is the details tab. So that thing you have to be clear while before creating the buttons and links. Okay, there are two things. One is related, where we see the child records. Okay, child objects records. Here we see the details of this existing record. Okay, the fields. Okay, the fields, the buttons, whatever. Okay, now Now let's start creating some custom buttons and custom links. So where do we create? How we create? Let's see. Okay, we'll go to setup. Sorry, not this one. Yeah, we'll go to setup. The first thing is we go to setup. In the setup, we launch setup. Now they are the part of a object. Okay, they are the part of the object. So definitely we have to go to the object manager. Okay, definitely we have to go to the object manager. Let me open my custom object. Okay, one of the, oh shit, uh, one second. Yeah, let me open one of the custom object I developed. Okay, this is a custom object. Instructors is a custom object which I developed. Okay, there are no buttons, additional buttons here, or additional buttons or links here. But here I already given a this explanation in another class. So we have some links as well as some buttons. Okay, so we are leaving this thing. We are going with some custom object. Which one? The name of the custom object is instructor.
Instructor.
On the instructors, I want to create the custom buttons and create custom links. So I will need to go to the instructors. Sorry, yeah, instructor object. So I went the instructor object. This we have seen. Details means the details of the object will be visible. This also we have seen where we can create a fields. Okay, there will be standard fields. We can create our custom fields. Page layouts we have seen. Okay, page layout yesterday we have seen. Compact layouts we have seen in the yesterday's class. Now today we are going to create buttons, links, and actions. Let me click on that. Okay. Now there are, these are the standard. Okay, standard. Whatever you are seeing here, they are the standard. Okay. Now there are two buttons. Okay. One second. Yeah, there are two buttons here. One is for new action. We'll talk about this action later. Today's topic is new buttons and links. Okay. So let's go to the button or link, new button or link button. This is also button only now. When I click here, let's give it some time. It's taking a lot of time. Yeah. So it opened the console for us where we can create our custom button or link. Okay. This is like creation of a field only now. Label, name, description. These are the things you know. Label is something which we can see on the UI. Name is something which we can access. Okay, which we can access from the APIs, from the coding, from the programming. If you want to access, we use name. Okay. Now let's see. Let's say the button name is LinkedIn profile profile of instructor. Okay, this is a link. I'm creating a page link. Okay, page link, the first option. These two options we'll see later. The first thing, detail page. What is detail page? Suppose Sharon is my instructor. So in the instructor, what is the name? Oh, sorry, what is the detail page and what is related page? In the record page, this is related tab and this is a details tab or detail page. So here I want to create a, here at this page I want to create a link to his profile. Okay. Hmm. So LinkedIn profile of instructor. Do you see the difference between the label and the name?
Yes.
This is same with the fields also. You can't give spaces here. Okay, because in programming if there are spaces, then it thinks that there are two different words. Okay, this is a one single word. Now this link is to open the profile of instructor. So display in a new window, display an existing window with a sidebar, display an existing window without a sidebar. So there are multiple options. Execute JavaScript, no, not needed right now because uh, it requires some additional knowledge. But this four, let's see. Let's go with existing in I mean display in a new window means when we click that button, it should open in a new window. Okay, it should open in a new window. Okay, yeah. Now, what is the source? URL, click on click JavaScript or Visual Studio page. There are means there are three options. Visual Force page is something when you click that button, it should open a page like a word page, a document kind of thing, like a PDF kind of thing. If you want to open a page, then you can go with this option. On click JavaScript, you want to perform some computation. Okay, some coding you have to perform, some logic means based whenever a person clicks on this link, a certain things should happen, certain logic should happen, and it should take you to the another website or something. We are not doing anything, directly URL I am taking. Okay, directly URL. Now let me go to the LinkedIn. Yeah, Jashwant, what is your ID?
Jashwant Singh.
Jashwant. Okay, Jashwant Singh. Which one? No. Any unique name? This one?
No, no, no.
Minus experience. Okay, I think you are not in my list. It's okay. This one, right?
Yeah.
Let me take your profile URL and let me go to our console. Then let's paste it. Okay, let's paste it here. Means whenever someone clicks this okay link, then it should go to that link. Okay, so not be displayed as. Hmm. 1 second. Hmm. Now, suppose let me click on edit. Okay, let me click on edit. There is an option called preview. Okay, if you click on preview, then whenever someone clicks, it is going to which one? A LinkedIn profile na?
Yeah.
Of just one thing. So it is saved now. So no need to worry. Let's go to Chara. We know it takes time. Okay, no need to worry. Hmm. Okay, let me go to the page layout, instructor page layout. Now, now we can't see na here. We can't see na. Why? Because this is what a layout, a page layout, right? Now, do you have that button or some link option here? Link anything here? No, no.
No.
In the custom links, suppose you should see here. The custom links is empty now. Okay, the custom links is empty. Now to add it, okay, to add that, what we do is we open the panel, okay, this one. In that there is a, yesterday we have seen only fields now. Yesterday we have seen only fields. I mean, yesterday in the neighborhood histories class. Now we are going with a custom links. See the link which we created. You got it right? That you have to drag and drop in the custom links section of your layout. Prolika, Bhavani, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, whatever the custom link you have created in this, that is not visible unless and until you add it to the page layout. So for the page layout, you will go to the page layout, you will go with the existing whatever the page layout is, that you will take and you will add it. Okay, then save it. Again, let's open that one. Let's go with any of the user, no problem. Can you see like this? Suppose instructor name is Jashwant, his name is marks, everything will come here. Okay, the final one you can see here, custom links. Okay, when person clicks this one, it will go to the new window. Yes or no? Okay,
Yes.
so this is how the custom links works. Okay, custom links. Now let me go to this one. Let me reload the page. That will not be visible this much soon for sure. Okay, no problem. Just a minute. Huh? No, but it takes time. But end of the day, see, it will be visible like this. Let's open this one. This is, see, LinkedIn profile. Here at the bottom of your details page of your record of a particular object, you can see this LinkedIn profile. Okay, this is clear. Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
This is clear, right? Now there is one thing. There is one thing. Now this profile, LinkedIn profile, whose this is Malayala. Okay. Now there is Neha, there is Raghu, there is Divyasri. Okay. These all students we have. Okay. Now these students, okay, these students will do all the students will have only one LinkedIn profile?
No.
No, right? Because LinkedIn profile is a different for a different person. This is not something YouTube video or something else. Yes or no? So
Yeah.
for every student, I need to have a, for every student, I need to have a separate link to be generated, not a single static link. We need a dynamic link. That means for every student, we need a different link dynamically to be created and placed there. Yes or no? Until and unless
Yes.
we can have that one, it's a waste of creating that such links on each and every record. So there is a option. Now let me go to the, yeah. Let me go to this one. Let me go to the buttons and actions. Which object we are in? Yeah, we are in the instructor object only. Buttons and links. Let me open this one. Let me click on edit. Okay, we clicked on the edit. Now, one second. Yeah. So this is Jashwant Singh. Okay. Till here for everyone same na? Till here.
Yes.
This is the only thing. It is different for each and every user. The LinkedIn ID. Okay. The LinkedIn ID will be different for different person. Now what I do is I remove this one. Okay. Think in terms of programming. Okay. I remove that one. I'll remove that one and I just say one LN ID. This LN ID, or let's say in most good terms, LinkedIn ID. Okay. This field I will create. Okay. This is the text field that I will create on each and every record. That means I will create a field. Okay. I will create a field. Let me create that field now. This is very important. Try to understand the concept. I will go to the field. Okay. Then I will create a text field. Okay. I create a text field. That field name I give it as I said. Oh, sorry. LinkedIn ID I give. Length, let's say 80. Okay. So required, let's say we require this is for sure. Next, save. Okay. Now let me reload this page. Yeah. So instead of Jashwant Singh now, what I do, I'll remove this Jashwant Singh. Okay. I remove this Jashwant Singh. Now let me go back to the Jashwant record. LinkedIn ID is there. This is a field now which we created just now. Yes or
Yes.
no? So I'll paste the Jashwant. Okay. Now Jashwant LinkedIn ID. This is Jashwant LinkedIn ID. Now let me save it. Now Jashwant's ID is saved. So here what I do is plus. Okay. Plus. Okay. We can insert like this also. Add. Okay. Add from the instructor object. See here. One second. From the instructor object, I want to take one field. Which field? LinkedIn ID.
ID.
So now this LinkedIn ID combined with a string, this normal string for every person, this is common string. Now these both combinedly will become one URL. Na? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this URL is a dynamic URL now. Am I and this URL is common for everyone? No, na?
No.
Based on the field, the let's say edit. Yeah.
LinkedIn
Based on
ID
this
field.
LinkedIn ID field, this link will be created. Okay. For every person, the field will be different. So this will be also different. So this became a dynamic URL now. Instead of static URL, this became a dynamic URL. Suppose let's say now this is taking me to this is taking me to Jashwant now. Okay. Now this is fine. Okay. Let's save it. One second. Yeah. This LinkedIn ID. So this is okay. We have to check syntax always. Check syntax means whatever the things you have written, that is correct or not. suppose I missed something here, or let's say I have added 2. It won't show for 2 additions, but there are certain syntax errors using these methods. So you will definitely get a syntax error. Okay. Now let's say save it. Now let me go to the let me go to LinkedIn. Let's find some other person. Randomly, I'll pick one person. No. Now, what is his ID? This is his ID, no? This is his ID. Just ID we want now. Now let me go to the sorry. Okay. This is the issue. We won't display here, but it is showing us the error. Hmm.
You can make it like unmark
Yeah, I
in
will do
detail.
that only. LinkedIn ID. We'll make it not required. Now, see, LinkedIn ID we got. Let me go and paste that LinkedIn ID here. Now let me click on save. Now let me click on this one. Some, I think we copied a long link. We are getting extra spaces. Okay, let me fix that one. Hmm. Everything is fine. What's the issue? One second. Direct also we can get as it is also string. Yeah. So now this becoming dynamic URL. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, Anna.
This is clear now?
Yes.
So This is how we make the use of this feature called custom button or link. This is a custom link on detail page. Okay, and this opens in a new window. So there are multiple things like we can open in the same window. Okay, now let's go with the second one called new button or link. Again, I mean the button, we will go with the button. Let's create a button called, one second. Let's create the same concept only, but I mean YouTube. Now this is a channel. Okay, I'll take this channel. Okay, CRM experts. Now, what is the base link for every channel? Till here it is a base link only, no? Yes or no? Till here it's a base link. Now this is the only link, only thing which we need to create a field and add it. Okay, then let me go to this. Sorry. Yeah. We'll create one more field first. Again text field. Then next channel ID. Length. Right here. Okay. Now we want to create a button. We are not creating a link now. We are creating a button. Then instead of this one, what we can do? What is the procedure? Tell me now. Come on. What is the procedure I need to follow to insert a field? Hmm? Come on, come on.
That's channel ID.
Yeah. What is the process? Where should I click now?
Insert merge field.
Yes. Insert merge field. Now, which field we created? YouTube ID, right? Where it is YouTube ID?
Channel ID.
Channel ID. Channel ID we done. Now save. So the custom button will not be appearing until and unless you add it to the where we need to add.
Page layout. Page layout.
Go to the page layout. Go to the instructor layout, which is the one layout I have now. Now, what we created button, it will appear in the buttons. Okay. Now, if you go to the button, yeah. See, one second. Yeah, this is a button. Where I need to keep, there is a special section for this. Okay, standard buttons in the instructor detail. Okay, I can't place it anywhere. Okay, anywhere else. I want to keep also here. It will not accept. Only place is under the top. There are standard buttons, and after that there is a custom button section. There only I can add. Save it. Now let's go to the instructor. Let me reload this one. Let us create a one instructor. CRM expert. Now I got the button, right? But this button will not work. It will randomly take me to the YouTube now. But I want to go to that particular channel only. Then here we know Salesforce is little slow to display the fields. So here LinkedIn I can see, but not the channel ID feed. So click on edit. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Let's wait. See, channel ID is there here, but it is not still appearing on the records. Let's wait. But it is understood, right? Where is the like a button and where is the link? Link will appear here. Buttons will appear here. These are all standard buttons. And below that there is a our what type of button? Standard or
Custom
custom?
button.
Yes,
Custom.
button. These two things are clear now.
Yes, I know.
Suppose let's say we are developing a website which is not a Salesforce. Okay. How much process we have to do? How much loading we have to do? I mean, we need to write a code, right? We write a code. Now, this code should do what? It should take a field, okay, from here and put that into this URL, and then we need to create a dynamic URL for each and every data. Then we need to navigate. We need to write a navigate option. Then it will navigate to the another page. But with the help of Salesforce, you are developing the UI now. But with the help of points and clicks, we say points and clicks, but not a code. So that's why Salesforce we say we can develop the app, we can develop the pages, everything without using the code also. Okay, without using the code also. But if we use the code, then it's more useful. Okay, just a minute. Let it load. What I done? What I have done now? One second. Just a minute. I'll show what I have done. This is which page? Pravalika, what is this page now? Leave this one. What is this page? You there, Pravalika?
Yes, I was speaking in mute.
So this is what page? What kind of page this is? This is home page. Okay, what is this page? Which we are seeing in the morning classes? This
This
page is
one is like
yeah.
object.
No. Page. Which page? No, these are the objects. No, don't get
Hmm.
confused. Listen to me. These are the objects and its tabs. This page is called which type of page?
Component.
These are the components. These are the
Okay.
components. What kind of page you created today? Also, again, one more
App
page.
page.
Yes,
App
yes.
page.
These are the app pages. Okay. Now, similarly, what? Yeah, we were on the instructors. Yeah. What is this page now? What is this page? Jashwant or Pravalika?
This one
Record
is
page.
Record page. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is record page. And in this is details one. This is related one. Bhavani, are you following?
Yes.
Okay. How are you now? Are you okay now?
Yeah, I'm still recovering.
Okay. Okay. So we know how to create this page. We haven't learned this page yet, but this is a record page. Now on that record page also, what we have added a? We have added a component. This is a
Components.
component. Yes or no? So this is a
yes.
component. I just clicked on this edit page and I dragged and dropped my component. Okay. I dragged and dropped my component. Now, what is the use now? Instructor. These are the instructors. So here itself, I can see the students.
Students.
So this is not provided by Salesforce to me. Salesforce says in the record page, you can see only that record details and related things. But I hired a developer who is a LWC developer to create this component where I can see the all the students list. Okay, all the students list who is associated with this particular Aditya
Instructor.
instructor. Okay, then I can have an option to create a student also. Okay, then I can see like this. Okay, I can see like this. So using the coding, I made it little advanced. So coding is required to make your UI more enhanced, but there are already existing buttons, creation ways, and see these records I can see here also. Students, if I add it here, related list, I can see it here. But even though it is not related, then also I can see the students here. So it's up to us. How much customization you do, it's up to us. How many components, LWC components you create, it's up to us. But only thing the coding is used is to enhance more. But the standard features are already there as a part of Salesforce. See, this button I created here, this button is also working. I can create that button here also in the LWC component. You can write a code now, lightning button, then on the click action, then it should go to the YouTube. I can write a method in the JavaScript. So that also possible, but it requires little more knowledge, more skilled worker, more skilled developer. But here, no, an administrator can do these things. Okay. So it's a no code or low code solutions only Salesforce prefers first. If you can't develop using no code, I mean low code, then the job or the task on you will be shifted to a developer. Okay. So this is just I have added this one to show you that I can enhance my record page. I can enhance my UI for the customers by providing the required things on the screen itself, on one screen itself. I have added a component. I will add more components if needed. It's up to me. It's up to the client. Okay. So you understood our role now, what we do in general,
Yes.
not only on the like single page, but also on the records also we can add our developed components. Okay. Clear?
Yes, Anu.
Hmm. Now let me go to the trial head. This is a trial head that you need to complete. Okay. I will be sharing 1 second. Just a minute. I have shared now. that you have to complete. Okay, that you have to complete. Now, only this one you have to complete. What we have done, created list but sorry, created a detail button and created a custom detail page button. But what we left? Create a custom
Custom
list
list
button.
button.
That is the task for you to understand the nature of this list button. Where we can see, how we can see. Okay. Same LinkedIn profile only you create, but you have to create it on your own by following the instructions. And it will be very good if someone from you will explain me tomorrow these things. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Is that clear?
Yes.
And complete this thing. Don't think about the points, at least till here. Okay. Don't complete the challenge. But at least till here you have to complete it. Okay. Clear?
Yes, Anna.
So this, if you want to complete this challenge now, there is much more to do, because this is a part of a big module, Lightning Experience Customizations. So you have to set up or creating apps, create a pages, app pages, home pages, every page, and create a record page, work with the record highlights, means the compact layouts. So then we have other things. So don't worry about these all things. We'll go in a random way, then we'll complete this as a project. But I want you to learn this. Okay. This one. Clear? So any questions, any concerns about the task or anything, or you want to speak anything with me, let me know. We'll have 2 more minutes. If you have questions or concerns, I can extend the class. So let me know regarding anything. You are fully okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, Anna, you are.
Okay. I'll share the recordings of today's classes on YouTube. Follow that. Okay. Practice them. This is important topic. Okay. You can't skip it. On this topic, there will be 2 questions for you for sure on the platform developer 1 exam. Okay. So they will give a scenario, then they will ask you, for this scenario, which option you choose, whether a list button, whether a detail link button, a detail page link, or detail page button. So which option you can choose, or you want to create some coding and create a LWC component. So you have to understand. If you have a way to create here only, then we can create. If not LWC, why LWC? If there is a high level of computation is needed to follow that URL, to build that URL, then that one. Okay. So it's up to us which to choose. But the most appropriate answer will only get a marks, na? So for that you have to learn this thing, learn each and everything here. Okay. You can't skip this topic. This is the easiest one, but it is most needed one. Okay. Have a good day. Good night. Bye. Sorry. Good night. Bye.
Bye.